How to download Netflix shows on phone or laptop. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just get started. So first of all, you may understand as Netflix has removed the feature of downloading the shows on laptop, but you can do it on phone. So go ahead and access the Netflix app on your device phone. And once you log in, you should be finding this particular interface with all of the suggestions for the shows, or you can look out for the shows that you want to download by tapping on the search at the top and go to the section. So there is a particular dedicated feature for downloads. The movies or shows that you can download. So look out for the show that you can download. After that, you can go ahead and click on it. And once you click on it, you can easily find a download option on the show when you tap on it. Or you can basically scroll through down through the seasons or the shows. And right beside each of the episode, you can find a download option directly. You can basically go ahead and click on that option, and that will allow you to download it. Or you can even go ahead and look out for the download option in the top right corner of your screen and go ahead and click on download. And there you can view your download once the download is completed like this. Or you can even go to your Netflix profile by tapping on your profile in the bottom right corner. And from there you can find a section dedicated to downloads. Just go ahead and view it there, and that is it. So therefore, if you'd also like to download Netflix shows on phone or laptop, you may follow up this method. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.